Alright. Next, list slicing and iteration. Slicing lets you grab a subset of a list. Iteration lets you loop through items. Yes. Let's create a numbers list from 0 to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's print nums 1, 4. This will provide the output 1, 2, 3 inside a list. Next, negative indexing. We have already taken a look at negative indexing by using -1, which provides the last element, right? Next, let's print nums starting, let's write here -2 colon blank. What do you think what will be the output? It will provide 4, 5. -2 means the last two elements and colon nothing means let's provide it to the last. So -2 colon nothing, it will output the last two elements. Next, looping through lists. So I guess we have gone through it previously, the concept. Let's take a look one more time. So for fruit, in fruits, print fruit. It's really simple, isn't it? Python is really simple. Yes, friend. It will display all the fruits that are there in fruits list. Next, let's take a look at list comprehension. Powerful one-liner syntax. Yes. Let's take a look. Let's create a variable squares equals x square for x in range 5. Range 5 you already know. So this x will loop from 0 to 4 and it will print x square. So now if you print the squares, what do you think what will be the output? It will be 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Yes, friend. So that's it for list. It is a really interesting concept. Try to explore it more. Alright. So see you in our next lecture, which is tuples.